Hey there, solo warriors! When it comes to living alone, keeping your health in check is crucial. Today we are dishing out the top 9 health hacks you definitely shouldn't try if you don't want things to get a bit, sketchy. Get ready to buckle up and laugh your way to better health. To kick things off, as hack number 9, we introduce the Couch Potato Challenge. Picture this: a glorious mountain of snacks, Netflix queued up, and a remote glued to your hand. What are you trying to do? To beat your own binge-watching marathon record, right? Wrong! The couch in your living room is not the one you need to get fit. Sorry for the bad news, folks, but the only thing you'll be burning here is time. In place number 8, we present the empty fridge diet. The sweet siren song of an empty fridge. No groceries means no cooking and no overeating. Sounds like a recipe for success, right? Wrong again. Eating solo doesn't mean you have to subsist on a diet of takeouts and microwave dinners. Trust me, your body will thank you for steering clear of the frozen food aisle. And maybe you should get rid of those delivery apps on your phone for a couple of weeks too. As hack number 7, the great sleep all day strategy. Who needs a schedule when you've got a cozy bed and blackout curtains? Well, hate to break it to you, but sleeping all day won't do your health any favors. Sure, it might feel like a dream at first, but too much shut-eye can leave you feeling groggy and out of sorts. Rise and shine, my friends, and please take a shower. Hack 6. The hydration hiatus. Water everywhere but not a drop to drink? Think again. Staying hydrated is crucial for your health, especially when you are flying solo. So put down that soda and pick up a glass of H2O. Your body will thank you, and maybe your skin will too. Hey, don't cheat there. Coca-Cola is not dog water. And now, a classic as hack 5. Exercise? Ain't nobody got time for that, right? Wrong go. Even if nobody's watching, staying active is key to keeping your body and mind in tip-top shape. So, dust off those sneakers and get moving, even if it's just a quick dance party in your living room. But it's probably better to go outside. Who knows? Maybe you'll bump into the love of your life while running in the park. Let's proceed with hack 4. The stress is best mindset. Stress, the silent killer of solo living. But who needs stress management when you've got a never-ending to-do list and a mountain of chores at home? Spoiler alert, you do. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential for your overall well-being, so don't sweep those anxious feelings under the rug and practice with me. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. For our moody fellows out there, hack 3. The isolation island syndrome. Living alone doesn't mean you have to become a hermit. Sure, solo time is sacred to blah blah blah, but too much isolation can take a toll on your mental health. So pick up the phone, schedule a Zoom date, or even venture out into the great unknown, aka your neighborhood. Trust me, social interaction is good for the soul, and you needed some groceries from the supermarket anyway. Hack 2. The mindless munchies madness. Snacking is practically a solo living pastime, am I right? But mindlessly munching on junk food is a recipe for disaster. See hacks number 9 and 8. Instead of reaching for the chips, opt for healthy snacks that will nourish your body and fuel your adventures. Your waistline will thank you, and hey, maybe your wardrobe will too. And on top of the list, my absolute favorite, hack 1, the ignorance is bliss approach. And for good reason. As I type this on my computer, I am suffering its consequences in bed. Ignoring your body's signals and neglecting your health might seem harmless at first, but trust me, it's a slippery slope. So listen to your body, which I haven't done myself recently. Prioritize self-care, my procrastination specialty, and remember, your health is the ultimate wealth. Now you understand why I haven't reached financial freedom yet. And there you have it, folks, the top 9 health hacks that you definitely shouldn't try when you are living the solo life. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, but taking care of your health is no joke. Stay happy, healthy, and laugh all along your solo life.